channel. Welcome to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Today we got a new sponsor and some new parts for Stone, and this is going to be the unboxing video. I've not opened it yet. It is from Oneuplighting. This is Underglow for the M3. The reason I ended up reaching out to Oneuplighting was because they actually have the color chasing LEDs for the Underglow. XK Glow doesn't have anything like that. I've already done that, so I figured that let's try something different. So this is the unboxing of the Oneuplighting Underglow kit, as well as I did also add the engine bay lighting, but we're not going to use it for the engine bay. We're actually going to put this in the trunk to accentuate the actual airlift install in the trunk. That was my thought anyway. So I've had this lighting here for almost a week and have been super excited to get it open, but I thought I would do this on video for you guys, so you're experiencing this with me as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so opening the box, we have 3 packages. We have a pack with some LED strips in there. We have a super cool sticker. I'll make sure to be rocking this on the car. And then another box. So far I have to say that's a pretty cool box. When you open it, it says Style Matters on the inside of the box. That's pretty sharp. This must be the package for the engine bay lighting and the front grills. Maybe we can incorporate this into the front grills and the trunk, because let's get this open and see what's in here. So it looks like a little smart wiring controller. We have 8 LED strips, and I have to seriously appreciate this because over all of the connectors they've provided some heat shrink tubing. So once you have this all connected, then you can heat shrink the connectors to make sure that they stay weather, water proof. Also, the actual build quality of the LEDs is phenomenal. They are rather flexible. They got a really nice clear covering the LEDs. I'm very impressed with the quality so far. That's the LED lights with the module for getting it plugged in. Now, let's get into the Underglow kit itself. If you are interested in picking up an Underglow system for your car, you can go to oneuplighting.com. They ship anywhere in the world, and I have a discount code for you to save 10%. You can save 10% on all your products at oneuplighting.com. Use the code HQBMW10. I'll link it down below and put it in the description. Go give them a follow. Check them out on Instagram. And let's get to opening this up. So it looks like we got a little note. Thank you for your order. We are proud to have you on the Oneuplighting team. Our first recommendation is that you reference our YouTube channel before the installation. I'll put a link below for the YouTube channel. Additionally, we would love to see the Underglow installed on your vehicle, so send us some pictures or videos on Instagram at Oneuplighting. Links below for a chance to be featured. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks, guys. So they've got all the brackets and screws and zip ties for doing the installation. We got the controller, which we got red and black to plug into, and we've got all of our LED strips. Okay, so the kit comes with 2 strands, which has 2 24-inch LED strips and 1 60-inch strip, obviously for down the side skirt, and 2 of them with these really high-end connectors. I'll bring you in closer and give you a close-up of the actual build quality. So the main wiring harness controller has these circle plugs with your power wires and a QR code for scanning to the app. And then the actual LEDs themselves is this really nice casing material with seems like some really good quality LEDs as well. And then on the end of the actual LED strips, you have this other connector that has a washer for keeping moisture and debris and particles out of your actual connectors. The connectors slide together really nicely. It's got a really nice tight fit. And then you got this screw together joint so that it protects all of your wiring. I can't wait to get this installed. This quality is very impressive. And for the price, honestly, I don't think you can go wrong. So there you have it. There's the unboxing video of the Oneuplighting LED Underglow system, and then the actual engine bay slash grill lighting. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get these installed. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see the actual install video on how to put the Oneuplighting into your car, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, you will be notified that a new video has dropped. So I am going to do an install video on how to get these installed and my first initial impressions of the actual Oneuplighting. But so far, I have to say the build quality of these is absolutely incredible. I'm super impressed. I really like how the LEDs are protected and encased. Everything seems so professional and very secure against the water and the elements, which is a very good positive, and I think it's going to make these last a really long time and look great. Again, the main reason I went with the Oneuplighting is because of A, the cost. The kits are relatively inexpensive, and as well, they do the color chasing. So that's the reason that I ended up choosing Oneuplighting. Again, if you want to save yourself 10%, HQ BMW 10, enter that into the coupon code when you are placing your order, and you'll save 10%. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.